I can go on the curb. That works. We're all on the fucking sidewalk. Oh, fuck you. Get the cop, get the cop, yes. Is that not a cop? You can't take away, make me whole again. What are you doing? What?
Those were wonderful experiences. And it's all ours.
What are you guys doing? What the fuck is happening right now?
So now, those Jurassic videos get no views because YouTube doesn't show it to anybody because
Jesus Christ.
people actually click on it and
what is happening?
They don't watch the whole video because they thought they were going to get to watch Jurassic 6.
And instead they just get a description of how it
God,
happens,
dude.
which I guess isn't as
Not really what they want.
quite as
Didn't
wow.
want to go this way,
Nope.
I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, that guy's gonna do it. Oh, dude. Fucking Jesus.
Hey, back.
No. You do not have a fucking green light, dude. People in the road.
Blue in the eyes of the organization. I was raised in Ace, just another sinning brick and
Nope. Yeah. Yep.
Jasons and the killers and rapists for what? Drugs
Yep,
involved in the
exactly.
sport growing up. Like cups of a dumb shit.
Far propound and astound with tales of things that go hump in the night. Sorry, that's bumpin'.
Jesus Christ.
The supernatural.
Oh my God, guys.
Please gird thy loins and enjoy the show.
Yes.
Jesus, dude.
You can have them. I don't want the peen points. Wade, if you win, I will move back to Cincinnati and we will start Peen House. Is that motivation? Ohio, this is your chance. This is your chance. Don't you want to have a friend in your state? I have no other friends in my city? Clearly. Oh, that's what I...
Sound waves reach you, looking in like their mouth and whatever, and detecting the vibrations in the air before they get back, and then shoots an equivalent sound back at them
Jesus, dude.
to cancel out the frequency. I don't think that's impossible.
Thank you, thank you. I will take the compliment.
What? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Where do we go? Go that way? Okay. Move! Okay, good. Fuck, I'm so done with this. You need to give me a fucking street address, not a pin. There's people walking onto the highway. Why are you walking onto the highway with Duncan? Two lanes, my guy. What are you doing? What the fuck was that about? There. Yeah. Pink sign, I think. Yeah, 222. Alright, guys. Just take your friggin' time. Alright.
Freaks me out, man. Wait, what was your first experience with VR or something like this?
I mean, going way, way back, the first time I think technology blew me away was when the PlayStation 2 came out.
Oh,
Legit.
yeah.
I remember launching that up. Like, I didn't know I was going to get it either because it was like, you know, every time a new console comes out, you know how hard it is to get. So my mom waited in line like 6 hours to get it. And I remember I had a friend over. We plugged it in, turned it on. And compared to like PlayStation graphics and Nintendo graphics and everything else, now looking back, the graphics don't look that impressive. But at the time, comparatively, like it was mind-blowing.
Ego, incognito, don't know where the he go. She go down torpedo, I get long neck like a bingo. I be on top of the steeple, I do it off of the ego. I do it off of my ego, I do it off of my ego. Nah, nah. Stay out so late that it gets early. Like early on when we were living on the cheapest thrills. Because the town we fell in love with has the steepest hill. From those downs rebound to ups. Tried to push dad's cool and torch the clutch. And they built us with extra gears. Our cars run on X's tears. Last night I realized I'm still sleeping on my mattress edge. Saving room for